Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal recipe updated. Start by measuring oats in liquid, then choose stovetop or microwave method and watch texture closely. Stirring prevents clumps and burning while cooking, and adjusting liquid by 2 tablespoons changes creaminess significantly. Taste early and add salt, sweetener, or milk near the end to keep texture silky and flavors bright for a comforting bowl. Heat a saucepan over medium and bring water or milk to a gentle simmer before adding oats, which helps them cook evenly. Add a pinch of salt and stir immediately to coat each flake, then lower heat and maintain a gentle simmer. For rolled oats, cook about 5 minutes, stirring frequently, while steel-cut oats need longer and occasional stirring for the best chewy texture and nutty flavor. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after grocery runs and kitchen trips, because nobody wants their ride to smell like last night's oats and spice. Check the description for the link and other deals to make it easy, and if you buy one, think of it as a tiny reward. Now let's get back to the video. Customize your bowl by adding sweeteners, spices, and textures after cooking to preserve integrity. Stir in cinnamon or vanilla for warm notes, then top with nuts or seeds for crunch and fruit for freshness. For creamier results, fold in yogurt or milk and toast nuts briefly to deepen flavor. Experiment with savory options like soy sauce and scallions for an unexpected but satisfying twist to your breakfast routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.